Hello and welcome to the Stupid History Minute. I'm your host, Kev Pound. Today, we're talking about cough drops. Cough drops have a history dating back to ancient times. Early forms included concoctions of honey, herbs, and other natural remedies to soothe sore throats and suppress coughs. Now, ancient Egyptians used honey-based remedies, while the Chinese employed herbs like licorice root. In the 19th century, cough drops became mass-produced, with brands like Smith Brothers and Luden's gaining popularity in the United States. Menthol, eucalyptus, and other medicinal ingredients were added for enhanced effectiveness. Today, cough drops are available in various flavors and formulations, offering relief from coughs and sore throats while remaining a staple in cold and flu season care. This has been the Stupid History Minute, and I'm Kev Pound.
This podcast is a production of Unfiltered Studios. If you would like to know more about joining Unfiltered Studios, please visit our website at unfpod.com for more information.